Hi, this is the Motorola Razr for the Ultra, and I'll show you how to turn on Always On Display option on this device. So open first the Play Store app, because we should get the Muviz Edge application from the Play Store, because unfortunately we have now installed by default the AD option. That's why open the Play Store app and in the search pool enter the Muviz Edge app. So now we should get this application. That's why tap to install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app, click to draw our apps, and find here the Muviz Edge app. Click on the switcher and go back. Switch Edge lights to AD, select one from these available tabs, tap to apply, and now we could see here that the Always On Display option successfully activated. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.